Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily send photos using a Google Drive link, right from your mobile phone. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. Once it's open, let's create a folder to store your photos. Tap the New button at the bottom right, select Folder, and give it a name. This is where you'll upload all your photos. Once the folder is created, open it. Tap the plus sign in the bottom right again, but this time choose Upload. Select the photos you want from your device and wait for them to finish uploading. You can see the progress right in the folder. When your photos are uploaded, it's time to make them shareable. Tap the three dots next to the folder name and select Manage Access. Under General Access, tap Change, then select Anyone with the link. This ensures anyone with the link can view your photos. Now, to get the link, tap the Copy Link icon in the top right corner. Your folder link is now copied. You can share it via email, social media, or any messaging app. And that's it. You've successfully sent your photos using a Google Drive link from your mobile. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel for more quick tech tutorials, and hit the notification bell as well. Thanks for watching.